This instructional video is designed to show you how to determine an electron configuration when you're given an element. Now, in order to do this, you will need a periodic table so that you can determine what block it is, whether that's S block, P block, D block, or F block, as well as which row of the chart it lies on. So the first step then is to actually determine that location. And in this case, magnesium is in row 3, the S block, and within the S block we're looking at column 2. So once we have that, the next thing is to determine what noble gas core we're looking at. In this case, it's neon. And finally, we want to write out the configuration. So we start with the neon core, and we have 3s2. For europium, we have the location is in row 6, F block, and column 7. The noble gas core, in this case, is xenon. And we can write out a configuration as a result. We have xenon. And we have to start, according to alpha, at 6s, fill that completely, and then 4f7. Now, because it's in the F block, we have to do the same thing we would do if it were in the D block, which is check to see whether or not this is an exception. It is not an exception, so this configuration is fine. Finally, we have nitrogen. The location is in the second row. It's in the P block, and it is in column number 3. Looking on the periodic chart, we find that the core here is neon. And its configuration then neon core. According to alpha, we start with 3s, fill that completely, and then we get to 3p, 3. So this shows a correct and complete electron configuration for each of these elements.